the throttle or the bottleneck in growing almost every company is working capital, because how much can you deploy to actually land more revenue impacts how fast you can grow it. Managing that is super important. The second thing that I found that was interesting is when we get PE investors that invest in technology companies that don't have physical assets and supply chains, when we talk about cross-pollination across the portfolio, it's often about best practices and what can one company, for example, learn from another on pricing or sales best practices or marketing and digital efforts and things like that. In this case, the interesting thing is because the supply chain is there, you can negotiate for all of these companies together and actually create enterprise value in a way that a technology PE firm couldn't necessarily find, because there's overlap in all the businesses because they're kind of dealing with the same suppliers.
We can actually sell products to ourselves. We have companies that need stamped products. We own a stamping business. We introduce those organizations together so that the stamping business can start quoting, business internally, where you have a lot more control over the outcome. It's a different approach in how we kind of think about it. It's working so far. We raised our fund in August 2019, and then COVID hits, and then we go through the supply chain disruption. We go through interest rates increasing. We go through UAW strikes. We go through wars. We go through tariffs. We go through administration changes.